Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. First, you learn what product-led growth, or PLG, is, which is a business strategy that places a company's software product at the center of the buying journey. We also cover the 6 principles of product-led growth. They are providing a free user experience, delivering an aha moment as soon as possible, committing to best-in-class usability, delighting users to encourage stickiness, making purchasing feel like the natural next step, and building virality at every turn. After that, we examine how product managers can apply AI to each of the 6 principles. A few examples include analyzing product usage and conversion data to identify aha moments, creating hyper-personalized onboarding experiences and pricing strategies, extracting themes from feedback to ensure you're building sticky features, and generating in-app content to prompt users to share and collaborate. Finally, we spotlighted a real-world example combining the power of AI and PLG. Now, let's recap some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. Think about how your organization exemplifies the 6 principles of product-led growth. If there are certain areas where your strategy feels the strongest, those might be a good place to start leveraging AI. Or perhaps you want to utilize AI to bolster PLG tactics that aren't as advanced as others. Either way, choose one PLG initiative that you want to improve with AI, taking into consideration the AI tools that are available to you and your company. Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to explain the principles of product-led growth, describe ways to apply AI to product-led growth initiatives, and start leveraging AI in your own PLG practices.